Hey, what's up everybody? Chris here with another Proto Tech Tip. Now this week I'll be diving into chemical conversion coating, focusing on the common mistakes to avoid when specifying it in your design. So let's get into it. At ProtoCase and Protospace MFG, we make the entire process of getting custom enclosures and parts quick and easy with our high-velocity mass customization model. With a wide range of in-house products and finishes, we'll manufacture and get your parts to you quickly so that you can cut out any latencies from your workflow and accelerate your project velocity. Now, one of the most popular finishes that we do offer here is chemical conversion coating. And in this video, I'm going to go through some of the mistakes that should be avoided when you're specifying this coating in your design. But first, let's just understand what chemical conversion coating actually is. Also known as Chem Film coating, it's a chemical treatment applied to aluminum and its alloys to protect the surface from corrosion by applying a layer of chromate. Now, notice how I mentioned aluminum. Well, that's the first mistake that I'm going to address. Chemical conversion coating is sometimes mistakenly specified for metals that can't actually be chem filmed. Now, while this is rare, we occasionally do get questions about applying this finish to metals like steel or copper. The answer is no. Those materials do require different surface treatments. So the first step is to confirm that the part is actually aluminum. Another mistake that you don't want to make is to expect a cosmetic or decorative finish. Conversion coating is a functional finish, and it will not be bright and uniform, nor will it provide a cosmetic appearance. So use it for protection in conductivity, not aesthetics. However, speaking of aesthetics, overlooking the importance of surface preparation is another mistake I want to speak about. If the aluminum has scratches or fingerprints, the final coating is going to reflect that. The cleaner and the more consistent the surface before the chem film process, the better the results. One of the most common mistakes is failing to specify the correct class of conversion coating. ProtoCase qualifies its process to pass the requirements of MIL DTL 5541F, Type 2, Class 1A and 3, and 81706B. And under MIL DTL 5541, you need to specify a class. Choose Class 1A for maximum protection against corrosion, for surfaces to be painted or left unpainted, or Class 3 for protection against corrosion where lower electrical resistance is required. Choosing the wrong option can cause performance issues such as grounding problems or inadequate corrosion protection. The next mistake I want to talk about is the thickness of the coating. On one hand, you should not expect a thick or visible layer. On the other hand, you should not make the mistake of not considering the coating thickness in tolerance calculations. The chem film coating is thin, but it's not zero. So remember to account for the coating's thickness on designs with tight tolerances, especially for threaded features or sliding parts. Another common mistake is planning to install zinc-plated steel PEM self-clinching fasteners before applying a chemical conversion coating. Unlike stainless steel fasteners, these zinc-plated fasteners will not survive the chem film process. And finally, a common mistake is expecting chemical conversion coating to work like anodizing. Chemical conversion coating does not increase surface hardness, not suitable for abrasion resistance, and does not add a thick layer once applied. If those are your requirements, well then anodizing is the better finishing option. But if you're looking for conductivity, then go with chem film. Now, if you avoid these mistakes, you can ensure that your custom parts work as intended. This eliminates rework, which reduces latencies and then saves on additional costs. Eventually, this means that you can get your projects over the finish line even faster. So if you still have any questions, just fill out the forms on the Contact Us pages on either of our websites. I'll leave links to those pages in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech tips coming to you every Tuesday. Until next time, take care.